There are cases when you just want the peace of mind that your PC doesn't have a liquid running through it, but also want the same level of performance as some of the best AIO liquid coolers without breaking the bank. If that's the case, then you should consider the Be Quiet Darkrock Pro 5. The Darkrock Pro 5 is the successor to the legendary Darkrock Pro 4, which was already one of the most powerful air coolers and quite popular among enthusiasts. The new model features 7 copper heat pipes that move heat away from the nickel-plated copper base. Be Quiet rated it to handle 270 watts of heat, which basically covers every single CPU, whether it's from Intel or AMD. Generally, I'm not that keen on choosing a cooler based on looks, but this is one of the most well-built CPU coolers, with a lot of thought behind the design and aesthetics. A lot of thought was definitely put to make sure the fans don't stick out or protrude from the cooler. The fans are not identical in size, and this is a deliberate choice by Be Quiet. There's a standard 120mm fan on the outer rim, and a custom 135mm fan in the middle of the aluminum fin array. It can very easily pop off the middle and is easy to clean and maintain. The fans also have different top speeds. The 135mm fan tops out at 1700 RPM, while the 120mm fan can, theoretically, top out at 2000 RPM. The fans have been redesigned with more blades that push more air without spinning a lot. The fan speeds start at 500 RPM, which is completely dead silent. Even till 1200 RPM, you can't hear any sound coming from the cooler whatsoever. Being true to their name, Be Quiet has done a fantastic job at making an inaudible cooler. You only really hear it at 1600 to 1700 RPM, which is the maximum speed anyway. With so many great things about the cooler, it's also important for me to address some of the main concerns with it. The Darkrock Pro 5 is quite large in size, and with a height of 168mm, you'll definitely need space in your case to fit this properly. Thankfully, the outer 120mm fan is not going to interfere with large RAM kits, so you can easily choose a decently tall kit without worrying that the fan will obstruct it. Other than the massive size, the Darkrock Pro 5 uses a custom fan header, which comes from the middle fan. The outer fan connects to the middle fan so that it can control the speeds of both fans. The middle fan also doesn't use a standard 120 or 140mm fan. Instead, this strange 135mm design is custom built according to Be Quiet's liking, and in case of a replacement, it needs to be done by the manufacturer. Although I can understand Be Quiet for using a custom fan because they can fine-tune every aspect of it, it would have made things a lot more convenient if they had used a standardized fan with a custom brace. The other issue I have is that the price, in my opinion, is a tad higher than I'd like it to be. Nevertheless, it still holds a comfortable lead in terms of overall performance, size, and sound profile. The only cooler with the same level of build quality in this price range that I could think of is the Noctua NH-D15S. Personally, I am a huge fan of the NH-D15S, but the Darkrock Pro 5 edges it out in everything. It looks better, runs quieter, is slightly smaller, and costs less. In conclusion, for around $80, the Darkrock Pro 5 is a powerful air cooler that can give liquid-cooled AIOs a run for their money. It's especially perfect for anyone building a workstation PC and don't want to use a liquid cooler to extend the life of the PC as long as possible. And if you don't like fan noise at all, the Darkrock Pro 5 is dead silent even at high loads. Ratings: Design and aesthetics, 9 out of 10. Cooling performance, 9 out of 10. Noise, 9.5 out of 10. Features, 8 out of 10. Value for money, 8 out of 10, for an overall rating of 9 out of 10. Thanks for staying till the end. If you're looking to optimize your PC even further, don't stop here. We have more videos filled with suggestions and reviews to help you make the best decisions.